First, let me guide you through how to solve this equation. Now, when it's something like this in exam, don't need to be scared, just trash it, okay? Now let's go this way. So we have 7 raised to the power of x plus 7 raised to the power of x equals to 70 raised to the power of x. Now in this case now, we're actually looking for value of x, right? And what I'm going to do is what? You take the common factors. 7 raised to the power of x is common, right? So bring it out. Then bracket this, divide this one, we have 1. Then plus this, divide this one, we have 1. Then equals to what? 70 raised to the power of x. That will give us 7 raised to the power of x bracket what? 2 equal to 70 raised to the power of what? X, right? Now, we want to find the value of x, right? So let's try to make all the x in one position, okay? So let's remove the 7 raised to the power of x, 7 raised to the power of what? X. This keeps what is here. So we only have what? 2 equals to what? Now, when you get to this aspect now, we actually have the same exponents. Just put it in what? In one bracket. In the sense that we have 70 over 7 or to the power of what? X. The x affect this 70 also affect what? This 7 here. So let's say 7 here is 1, 7 here is what? Is 10. So we have 2 equals to what? 10 raised to the power of what? X. Now, in this case now, what we are going to do here is that to find value of x, to make s the subject here, there's no way we can put this 10 in an index form, in the sense that to have the same base with this 2, it does not work, okay? Now what we can only do here is to add what? Log to both sides. So we are going to add log to both sides. Say add log to both sides, and that will give us what? We're going to have log 2 equals to log 10 to the power of what? X. Now after doing that now, then we are going to apply what? One of the theory of what? Of logarithm, which says that this power change to what? Change to coefficients, right? So this will come to coefficient like this. One of these, look at it here. When we have log a raised to the power of b, it means that it will give us this b come to this back. Now become b log a. This a, we call it augment, okay? Nice. And why the a is augment, why the b is what? Is the exponential, okay? Which change to the coefficient. Are we good now? So that's what I'm going to apply to this one here. So I'm going to have that as log 2 equals to, so I'll come back will be x log 10. Now don't forget, you're looking for what? For x, right? Sorry, x log 10. We're looking for s, right? So we have to equate this log 10 over log 10 over what? Over log 10. This cancel what is here now. So we have x equals to what? Log 2 over what? Over log 10. But this is actually not our final answer. Now, you know in logarithm, you're going to apply or the definition of what? Of logarithm, which is defined as what now? As a number in what? In base 10 of what? Of every what? Logarithm number, which means that this term is a base, while this is what they call what? Augment. It means that the number inside what? The log. That will give us x equals to log 2 base 10. Now what this simply means? I told you guys that 2 means augment, while the 10 means what? It means the base, right? The augment means number inside the what? The log, while this 10 is what now? Is the base of what? Of the logarithm itself. You understand what I'm saying now? So don't forget to like my video. I hope this kind of extension is what is clear to you. So it means that our s equals to what? 2 log what? Log 2, s equals to log 2 base what? Base 10. So I hope you find this class very interesting, right? So don't forget to like the video. Don't just go, like it, okay? You comment on it if you have any other question. You follow the page to see what more mathematics and what, and physics and what, and science or solutions, okay? So don't forget to like the video, share, comment, and save for future what purpose. Thank you.